If you're looking for a way to work from home without spending a single cent, selling digital products is the perfect solution for anyone, anywhere in the world. You can sell digital products on Etsy, on Amazon, or even on your own website. And here on my channel, I'm going to show you exactly how to design these products professionally, step by step. I'm confident you won't find many people on YouTube teaching you how to create with this level of precision like I do. Today, I found an amazing product with zero competition, and it's also super useful for kids, so moms will naturally want to grab this product for their children. Looking a bit closer, you'll see the seller priced it at $4, which is pretty high. In my opinion, this product is just 6 pages, so it would be much better priced at only $2. This product is called the Letter Matching Game, and it's designed for kids around 3 years old. It teaches children how to use scissors and also how to recognize uppercase letters of the alphabet and match them with the lowercase letters. It's a really great product and I loved it a lot. Let's take a closer look at the product images so you can understand it better. If we look at the first image, you'll see the uppercase letters are drawn on little locks, while the lowercase letters are drawn on keys. The child cuts out the lock and sticks it onto an outer cardboard piece, and then cuts out the matching key that corresponds to the same letter on the lock. Keep in mind, the lock has the uppercase letter and the key has the lowercase letter. So each lock has a dedicated key that unlocks it through alphabet matching. Watch this video to understand the idea even better. The child sticks the lock with the letter A, then chooses the key with the lowercase a and places it on the lock. It's a digital product in PDF format as shown in these images, and it's only 6 pages long. I think 6 pages for $2.50 is an excellent deal. You might think that designing a product like this is really hard and requires a designer who can handle complex programs like Illustrator or Photoshop. But let's go straight to Canva, and you'll see just how easy it is to create this product. We'll start by creating a new design with dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches. Then we'll go directly to the Elements tab, and the first page will contain the locks with the uppercase letters. So let's search for a lock. You'll find tons of lock images available. Let's pick one as an example. First, we'll change the black color inside the lock to orange. Then we'll add text by pressing the T key on the keyboard and type the letter A. We'll change the font to something more suitable, like Genty Sans, and place the letter right in the center of the lock. Finally, we'll enlarge it slightly so it fits perfectly with the size of the lock. Next, we'll copy this lock with its letter several times so that the first page contains 9 locks. Then we'll change the letters on the locks in order from A to I. After that, we'll copy this page and update the letters again until we reach the letter Z. And just like that, we've finished designing the pages with the locks. 26 locks in total spread across 3 pages. Now let's move on to designing the pages for the keys. We'll start by adding a new page, and then we'll go to the Elements tab and search for a key. You'll find plenty of key images to choose from. I'll pick this key as an example, then slightly reduce its size and place it at the top of the page. Next, we'll add the lowercase letter a inside this key and we'll repeat the same process by copying the key several times and arranging all the keys neatly on the page. Then we'll change the letters inside the keys until we reach the letter Z. Make sure the letters on the locks are uppercase and the letters inside the keys are lowercase. This is essential for the matching game. And just like that, we finished designing this product completely in less than 5 minutes. Now, let's take a look at the full pages. The first 3 pages contain the locks. each carrying the full set of uppercase alphabet letters. The next 3 pages have the alphabet letters on the keys, but in lowercase. The idea here is that the child, for example, will cut out the lock with the letter A and stick it onto an outer cardboard piece provided by their mom using a pin. Then they'll go to the key page, cut out the key with the lowercase a, and place it on the lock. This key is the one that unlocks that lock. It's a fun and educational game for kids. After that, we save the file as a PDF and upload it to Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. And don't worry if you're not sure how to upload this product. I'm working on a long, almost 2-hour video where we'll design a full 100-page math book, and I'll teach you step by step how to upload it correctly to Amazon and Etsy. So make sure to follow the channel and stay tuned for that video. It might drop in early December, and I believe it will be one of the most useful videos for you. And if you don't have enough time to design a lot of products yourself, my team and I have already created 80 books, each with around 30 pages. You'll get them both as PDFs and as Canva templates, so you can edit them easily and completely freely using Canva. We also designed all these books in a very consistent style, so you can even combine them to create endless books. I'm sure you'll find every idea that comes to your mind in these books. So head over to the sales page now and check out exactly what you'll get. There's a big discount for Black Friday, so don't miss it. Scroll down to the pinned comment and just browse through the pages. They'll give you tons of ideas, even if you don't buy the books. You can take those ideas and start designing them on Canva right away. I'll see you in a new video, my friends, and goodbye for now. Stay tuned for the next video.